All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. Today is a big one. My Orqa order finally came in. I've had this on pre-order from Get FPV for about 3 months, so I'm still eligible for the free FPV Connect whenever, if that ever happens. But I just want to do this quick unboxing of what you get when you order it new.
A friend let me borrow his Orca goggles a little while back, and I did a review video on them already. I'll put a link to that video in the usual corner. I plan to make a long-term review video a month or two from now just to see how living with the Orcas has shaped up. Hopefully the FPV Connect system for them comes out soon. More on that when that happens.
Here we go. You get your goggles, and you get these three, or at least I got these three extra things. So you got a piece of Velcro for the goggles. This is adhesive backed. And then you have a soft leatherette style face foam, and then you have the neoprene style face foam. So that comes separate from the goggles itself, and here we go. The box, let's see, in here is just some documentation. I don't really care about that. And here you go. Here are the goggles themselves. They've got a kind of a hard plastic emblem there that they've got covered up. There we are. Set of Orqa goggles. Really nothing too special about it. And then the battery that comes with it. And it also comes with a cleaning cloth in the box. Now, the idea is that you apply the Velcro yourself, which is kind of a shame. I really kind of wish they would have pre-applied this. That way, if it was all I could just blame them rather than my horrible ability at putting on this type of stuff. But this is going to go like so on here. Pull up a seat here, get myself a bottle of isopropyl alcohol, and clean up the surface. Shouldn't be any grease or grime on there, but hey, you know, I only got one piece of Velcro that came with it, so make sure we don't screw this up. Just kind of wait for that alcohol to flash off. There we go. I was kind of like letting like the people at Best Buy put my screen protectors on. That way, if they screw them up, it's on them. They got to give me a new one. Try to line up my corner here. Just lightly apply pressure. Make sure everything lines up the way it should. It's not lining up very well on this side at all. Well, I guess that'll be good enough. And in the past, I've always preferred the leatherette foam as opposed to the neoprene stuff. There we go. Steady sit. Oh god, those fit nice. Man, these things fit nice. And that's it. I'm pretty sure I should have gotten antennas with mine. I did not get them. So I'll have to look back at the listing from Get FPV and figure out what the heck's going on. And I should also be getting the FPV Connect whenever that comes in. All right, folks, that was just a quick unboxing. And so next is getting a module in here. Pop the little door off. And I currently don't have a rapid fire module for mine. I have the TVS Fusion. So resin printed this little door, and we'll get that in there like so. There we go. And get this guy out of here. And first power up. Here we go. Fusion module is working just fine. Doesn't seem to really respond to the buttons, but we'll figure out more about that later. All right, folks. Well, that's it. That's just a quick unboxing and first looks at the Orqa FPV.one FPV goggles. All right, thanks for stopping by. Check out the links in the video description. Like, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Stay safe.